Hi everyone. In this class we are going to see the next topic PERT, Program Evaluation and Review Technique. This is also in 2-mark question. CPM means Critical Path Method. PERT means Program Evaluation and Review Technique. So what is a PERT? That is probabilistic. When 3 time estimates are given in the model is called probabilistic. That is 3 time estimates means that is most likely time, pessimistic time, optimistic time. Most likely time means intermediate value. Pessimistic time means largest duration. Optimistic time means least time. These are also denoted by TM, TP, T naught respectively. So most likely time is represented by Tm, pessimistic time is represented by Tp, optimistic time is represented by T naught respectively. Using the table above, 3 time estimates, we can calculate the expected duration of the activities by the formula. So expected duration of the activity means we have the formula TE, that is expected time duration is TE is equal to T naught plus 4 times of Tm plus Tp divided by 6. So T naught is optimistic time, Tm is most likely time, Tp is pessimistic time. So T naught plus Tp is a single times and Tm will be the 4 times. So divided by 6 is your expected duration of the activity. The next is what is the definition of optimistic time. Optimistic time is defined by T naught or A. Optimistic time is the duration of any activity when everything goes on very well during the project. This is the minimum duration. So the project is going means that will be very well. That means the duration will be the smallest one. So this is the minimum duration. The next one is pessimistic time. So pessimistic time is defined by TP or B. Pessimistic time is the duration of any activity when almost everything goes against our will or a lot of difficulties is faced while doing the project. This is the maximum duration. So for this time means the time the project will be goes against our will or lot of difficulties we are facing means that time is maximum duration. So the next will be most likely time. Most likely time is the duration of any activity when sometimes things go on very well, sometimes things go on very bad while doing the project. This is the normal duration. So for this the project will be doing means sometimes it will be goes very well, otherwise it will be goes wrong means that time duration is called most likely time. So how you find out the time that is expected time duration of activities means we have to see one problem. So for the first problem is a project consists of the following activities and different time estimates. So activity is given, least time is given, greatest time is given, most likely time is given. So here the least time is T naught, greatest time is TP, most likely time is Tm. So the question is we have to draw the network, find the expected task time, find the critical path. So before going the network we have to find out the expected task time, because for the duration we have to write this expected task time. So for this we have to come with the tabular column. So for the tabular column is activity, least time, greatest time, most likely time, TE formula. TE formula is T naught plus 4 times of Tm plus Tp divided by 6. So in this side we have to write the activities 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 2 to 6, 3 to 6, 4 to 7, 5 to 7, 6 to 7. Now we have the values for T naught, Tp and Tm. Substitute these values or correctly. So now we have to come with the expected duration of the activity. For the first activity the expected time is 3 plus 4 times of 6 plus 15 divided by 6. That value will be 7. So you have to use the calculator, otherwise you have to do it your own. Find out the value of expected duration of the activity. The next 1 to 3 means 2 plus 4 times of 5 plus 14 divided by 6, that value will be 6. Next activity is 1 to 4, 6 plus 4 times of 12 plus 30 divided by 6, that value will be 14. So 2 to 5, 2 plus 4 times of 5 plus 8 divided by 6, that value will be 5. Next 2 to 6 means 5 plus 4 into 11 plus 17 divided by 6, that value will be 11. Next 3 to 6 means 3 plus 4 times of 6 plus 15 divided by 6. The next will be T is equal to 3 plus 4 times of 9 plus 27 divided by 6, that is equal to 11. Next 5 to 7 means 1 plus 4 times of 4 plus 7 divided by 6, that is equal to 4. 6 to 7 means 2 plus 4 into 5 plus 8 divided by 6, that is equal to 5. So this is your expected duration of the activity. That means for 1 to 2 the duration is 7, 1 to 3 duration is 6, 1 to 4 the duration is 14, 2 to 5 the duration is 5, 2 to 6 the duration is 11, 3 to 6 7, 4 to 7 11, 5 to 7 4, 6 to 7 is 5. Now we have to draw the network. So simply you have to collect the data. So for this we have to draw the network 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 will be this one, 1 to 3 will be this one, 1 to 4 is this one. The next will be 2 to 5. So 2 to 5 you have to draw like this. Next 2 to 6 you have to draw like this. 3 to 6, so you have to join this one. 4 to 7, 5 to 7, 6 to 7. All these we have to join. Now you have to write the duration of the values 7, 5, 6, 14, everything you have to substitute. Now we have to come with the critical path. The second subdivision is over. Second subdivision is your expected duration of the activity. The first subdivision is draw the network. So two subdivisions are over. We have to come with the third subdivision. We have to find out the critical path. For that critical path we have to come with the E value, L value. So the first one we have to take E is equal to 0. Next we have to come with the second activity. For the second activity only one incoming activity. So 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. That is E value will be 7. Next we have to come with the third activity. For the third activity is also only one incoming activity. So 0 plus 6 is E value will be 6. The next will be 1 to 4. So 1 to 4 is also only one incoming activity. So for this activity E value will be 0 plus 14 is E is equal to 14. The next we have to come with the fifth one. So fifth activity means 2 to 5. For 2 to 5, here is also only one incoming activity. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So next one is 6. For 6 we have only two incoming activities. So for here two incoming activities are there. So now we have to come with the maximum of. So maximum of E is equal to 7. 7 plus 11 is equal to 12. 7 plus 11 is equal to 18. For here 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So 18 comma 13 maximum value will be 18. So for this 6 value we have 18. The next we have to come with the 7. For 7 we have 3 incoming activities. So 3 incoming activities, E value is equal to maximum of 12 plus 4, that is 16. 18 plus 5, that is equal to 23. 14 plus 11, that is equal to 25. So here the maximum will be 25. The next we have to calculate the L value. So we have to take L is equal to 35. L is equal to 35 means we have to come with the sixth one. Sixth means we have only one outgoing activity. So we have to subtract the duration of this activity. So 25 minus 5 is 20. So for the sixth one we have L value will be 30. The next we have to come with fifth activity. For the fifth activity is also only one outgoing activity. So directly you have to subtract 25 minus 4 is 21. So for the fifth activity your value will be, L value will be 21. The next we have to come with the fourth activity. For the fourth activity is also only one outgoing activity. So directly you have to subtract 25 minus 11 is equal to 14. So here the L value will be 14. The next we have to come with the third activity. For the third activity only one outgoing activity. For this also you have to try directly. So 20 minus 7 is equal to 13. So next we have to come with the second activity. For the second activity there are two outgoing activities. So for this we have to come with minimum value. So minimum of 20 minus 11, that is 9. 21 minus 5, that is equal to 16. So the minimum value will be 9. So L value will be 9. So finally we have to come with the first activity. There are three outgoing activities. So minimum of 14 minus 14 is 0. 13 minus 6 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. So the minimum value will be 0. So here L value will be 0 means E value is 0. L value is also 0 means your calculation is correct. Now we have to draw the critical path. We having both L value and E value will be equal. So second activity we can't go because these two are different. Third activity is also we can't go, that is also different. So the next fifth is also different, sixth is also different. The only way is 1 to 4, 4 to 7. So 1 to 4 we have 14, 4 to 7 we have 11. So 14 plus 11 is equal to 25. So we have the only critical path is 1 to 4 and 4 to 7. So here the critical paths are 1 to 2, 5, 2 to 5, 5 to 7, that is equal to 16. So this will be wrong. So the only one critical path is 1 to 4, 4 to 7. So the total duration is 25 because here we have the different E value and L value. So the first three critical path we can't take. This will be wrong. So strike out this one. The only critical path is 1 to 4, 4 to 7, that is equal to 25. So the total duration will be 25. Thank you.